Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Brijesh Tambe. Welcome all of you in this first video on presentation. Presentation is one of the important topics as a part of personality development. So this topic is included in personality development program. On this topic, in this video, I will discuss a sketch of the topic presentation, where I want to introduce all the points which are necessary in presentation. Let me begin with the first slide, where I listed all the important factors which are necessary in presentation. First of them is introduction. In introduction, obviously, it will be about what is presentation. Second, we have to understand model of communication, because presentation is a kind of communication. Then purpose of presentation is necessary to be understood. Equally, forms of presentation are important. Components of presentation, planning of presentation, preparation of presentation, and the last one is execution of presentation. All these points are necessary to be followed and exercised so that we can present ourselves in any situation. First of them will be introduction. These are the important point. First of the point is what is presentation, appropriate use of language, moderate use of body, then appropriate use of technology. All these points will be discussed in detail in upcoming videos on presentation. Then model of communication, where we have to understand the four factors. First of them is a sender, medium, receiver, and feedback. As I stated, presentation is a kind of communication. So this model will be discussed in detail in second video. Purpose of presentation. I have taken some of the examples in order to understand the purpose of presentation. Advertiser, commentator, and professor. Then form of presentation is important. And in order to explain forms of presentation, I have taken some of the examples. First one is interview. Second is group discussion. Third is lecture. And fourth one is seminar. Simply because the format of interview is different from group discussion, and group discussion is different from lecture. Seminar is different from interview. So before presenting ourselves, we have to understand the form of the presentation. After that, components of presentation, and in components of presentation, these three factors are important: planning, preparation, and execution. In planning, these are the points will be discussed in detail. Preparation is about collection of information and references. Then the crux of presentation, that is the execution, is sub-points will be discussed in detail in the third video. First of them is confidence, then language competence, then relevance, and paralanguage. These are the important four factors in execution of any presentation Basically, we are talking about formal presentation. Then in execution, remaining these four factors are important. Body language. In body language, a lot of things are there. Will be discussed in details. Time and distance. Then appearance. In appearance, some points are there. And the last one is practice. Simply because in order to present ourselves, if we do a lot of exercise, then and then it is possible. Means we have to work how to bridge the gap between theory and practice, how to convert all the points that we learn in theory into practice. Then our presentation will be a good one presentation, that will be effective presentation. So details points will be discussed in upcoming two videos, that is the second video and third video on presentation. Thank you very much.